Welcome to Day 5 of the Path for Relationships. Throughout this first program, we've explored a series of mindfulness meditation practices to help us gain a better understanding of ourselves and the people around us in order to be able to create better relationships. Today, we are going to conclude this first program with a basic practice of letting go. There's a general misconception that in order to let go of something, we need to either ignore it as if it doesn't exist, toss it away as if it doesn't have any value, push it away as if it's something repulsive, or even run away from it as if it is something threatening our life. Letting go is about mastering the skill of allowing something or someone to just be, to understand that things and people are what they are and that their influence on our life, positive or negative, comes directly from the power we give them to affect our life. A very simple and yet powerful example of letting go is the moment parents see their children leave home to begin their new life as adults. The parents' love for their children doesn't change one bit. Their worries and their wishes for their children's well-being don't change either, as their children are still very important and loved in their life. However, as parents, they understand that their children are who they are as individuals. They have their freedom to build a life of their own, to follow their own path, to make their own choices and face the consequences of those choices. As parents, they don't overly attach to their kids. They don't hold them at home or try to control their every decision, especially when they are adults. They simply love them, respect them, and allow them to just be. If at some point in their life the children will need help, as parents, they will give their support unconditionally, always respecting their kids as individuals, their freedom as adults, and as people who have a life of their own. Whenever we build relationships in our life, regardless of the type of relationship, we must always remember that we are making a connection with someone else that has their own freedom and their own consciousness as we do, and like us, are choosing to build a relationship with us out of their own free will. Remembering this makes it easier for us to let go of any attachments and to better enjoy and appreciate what people bring to our life out of their own free will. Find a comfortable position, making sure there is no tension in your spine and neck. Whenever you are ready, take a long, deep breath, and during the exhalation, close your eyes. See if you can bring to mind any particular situation you are having a difficult time with at this very moment. Take the time to carefully describe the situation in your head with as many details as possible. Once you have a clear vision of what the situation is, witness it like an outside spectator. Try to keep a neutral approach towards it. See if you can describe to yourself the reason you are having a difficult time with it. Describe in your head as clearly and as honestly as possible what it is about this situation that is causing you such difficulty. Try to maintain a calm and neutral approach. Think of it as a simple and honest conversation you are having with yourself. Once you have a clear vision of the reason why the situation is difficult for you, witness this reason like an outside spectator and try to keep a neutral approach towards it. If at any moment any particular feeling arises, acknowledge this feeling, witness it, and label it in your mind if necessary, but make sure you don't get trapped by the feeling. Continue to keep a neutral approach towards the situation, the feelings, and the reason why it came to be. Deconstructing and reconstructing a difficult situation or feeling in our mind is an excellent way to practice letting go and awareness. The more we understand ourselves, our feelings, the people around us and their feelings, and how things came to happen, it becomes easier to detach from a vicious cycle of conflict, and we become capable of letting go. At your own pace, bring your attention back into the room. Gently move your feet up and down like pushing on a pedal. Slowly close and open your hands, and at your own pace, open your eyes. Today, as you go about your day, every time something happens that disrupts your calmness, before taking any particular approach towards it, see if you can first witness the situation from a neutral perspective. Analyze it in full honesty and awareness, and then make a decision as to what to do with this situation. Congratulations on completing the 5th day on the relationships path. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.